Hello, how you doing? Look, on the menu today we're going to make this beautiful stewed spicy chicken. It really is delicious. It doesn't take long. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got a 1 kg chicken. That's 2.2 pound. Bone is in, skin is on, chunky cut. 3 cups of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. 2 cups of sliced onions, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, fresh chili, up to you the amount you want to put in, and I'm putting mine in whole like that, chop them if you want. 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. There are other things going in here, but let's get moving with this. So I'm going to be starting my dish off with coconut oil. You can change that if you want. I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of coconut oil in there. We're on a medium heat. Cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons, in they go. I'll be back in about 60 seconds, just want them to do their thing in that oil. Let's drop in the 2 cups of onion and let them go for around 5 minutes. So those onions are cooking really nicely. We're going to add some salt now. We're going to add the ginger garlic paste, in that goes. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. We can get our fresh chili in now. Like I say, optional as to how many you want to put in there. And stirring all the time now. Just go for 2 minutes. Beautiful. Let's get our spices in. So we've got 3 teaspoons of coriander, 1 of chili and 1 of turmeric. Quick little mix here. Then we're going to be adding our tomatoes. Let's drop them all in. 6, 7, maybe 8 minutes. Really want to cook these tomatoes down. Hopefully we're going to get some moisture from them. So you can see that the tomatoes have given off moisture and are breaking down really nicely. What we're going to do now is take our chicken, and like I say, these are fairly chunky pieces. Cut it smaller if you want. Skin is on, bone is in, as you can see. We're now going to add some water. I've got 250 ml of water here. We're going to put the heat on below medium now, so it's a little bit more gentle. We're going to get a lid on that, and we're going to let it go for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how big you've cut your chicken. Then we'll be back. You can give it a stir every now and then. Okay, we've done it. Off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out of there. Just a couple more things to do here, but that is really beautiful. So I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala powder. Lovely little kind of finishing spice. I'm going to go a little bit of salt. You can adjust that how you want. Small amount of chopped cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, and that is absolutely delicious. A beautiful plate of stewed spicy chicken. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well now. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.